Hello, welcome or welcome back. This will probably be a pretty quick video just to let you know that NotebookLM now supports EPUB, which is electronic publication. That's .EPUB format, like file format. It is a really popular format for ebooks and just some textbooks. So, like there are a lot of books out there that are just in EPUB and EPUB 3. And NotebookLM did not support this, I don't know, a month ago, which was the last time I checked. But apparently they've changed something on the back end and it does now support EPUB. So if you don't have any EPUBs and you want to test this to make sure it works for you, you can go to Project Gutenberg, which just, as it says, has 75,000 free ebooks. And what I did was I went to Alice in Wonderland and I got an EPUB 3. So I got this file. And let me go into, if you want to get here, it's notebooklm.google.com. And then this is your home page. You either create a new notebook or you go into an existing one. I just have my test notebook here. So let me go back in here and then I will take that EPUB, So I have to go into add sources, and actually if I just hover over this add more, you can see in there now that EPUB is there. And I made a video like this, I don't know, less than a month ago, and EPUB was not in, like I actually went back and checked this thing to make sure that EPUB wasn't there. EPUB was definitely not there. But anyway, open up add sources and then you can either click on upload files and then navigate to the file that way, or you can drag and drop the file here. I will just drag and drop. And now the file names from Gutenberg are weird sometimes. So this is, I don't know why that's the name, but it is. And you have your .epub here, and that does not take long to upload. EPUBs are really small. Like this is 186K. So, I mean, one of the reasons EPUBs are really popular is because they're really small. But now this is, I mean, you can see right here, Project Gutenberg's ebook of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. And then to go through, I'm not going to go through the whole book, but this is an EPUB, and this, now it's in NotebookLM, so I can do all the normal stuff. I can chat with it, I can create artifacts from it, etc. So I know a lot of people out there have, massive libraries of EPUBs and EPUB 3s that they would have to convert to PDF, convert to something else to use with NotebookLM. But if you are one of those people, know that NotebookLM does support EPUBs now. I've tried this on multiple accounts. This is a pro account. I also tried it on a free account. It worked fine in both. So give that a try if you're interested. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.